Hey guys, Redmi is a king in low budget segment. Redmi is soon bringing the Xiaomi Redmi 7A, which is a super low budget smartphone that will amaze you with its specification and the lowest prices. Redmi 7A could be launched in India and other countries at the same point in July. This will be the same time when Redmi K20 series will be launching in India and other countries. It is highly likely that the Xiaomi Redmi 7A is an entry-level smartphone that could be launched at the same event. To the specification of Redmi 7A, it may feature a 5.45-inch of HD 2.5D curved glass display, which is of HD plus resolution. The phone will be powered by a 2 GHz octa-core processor, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor with an Adreno GPU of 505 GPU. The phone has an eye protection screen which protects you from the harmful blue light and an eye protection mode level that is increased to 255 steps. The phone comes in a variants where it is having a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, and another variant with a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that you can expand up to 256 GB via the external micro SD card. Coming to the camera section, Redmi 7A sports a single rear camera which is of 13 MP, which is an AI camera. Redmi 7A will sport a 5 MP of selfie shooter which takes decent pictures. Redmi 7A may come with an Android 9 Pie based MIUI 10, and it will be powered by an 4000 mAh of battery with 10 watt charging support. The price and other details of this phone is not been revealed yet. So this is all about the Redmi 7A. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And what do you feel about Redmi 7A? Please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.